Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank you all for the support in the last couple videos. Comments, likes, views, thumbs ups, it's all appreciated. So today is going to be Model Cars and Coffee, hosted by our friend Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. Thank you, Paul, for coming up with this idea. Excuse me, if you haven't checked out Paul's channel, he recently hit 4,000. Awesome work, Paul. So congrats to that. I'll have a link in the description. Go check out Paul if you haven't. If you're watching my channel, you've probably seen his. So yeah, thanks, Paul. So today, I was going to show off GP today, but my daughter's not feeling well. It was a long night last night. I was cleaning up barf all night. She's still not feeling well. So we're going to hold off GP until she's feeling better. She's just chilling downstairs watching a show. So I figured I'd come up and do a quick video. So what I'm going to show today is my Mustang. Some of my Mustangs. I've got the 67, 68, and 66 I've showed already on Model Cars and Coffee. So if you want to see these a little more in depth, stick around and we'll get you turned around. Okay, so we're going to start with the 68 Mustang GT. This is the Revell kit. Fairly simplified kit. I didn't do too much in terms of detailing. Didn't even detail the engine. It's just basically a box stock build. Some detail painting in there. I lost the air cleaner. Painted in Duplicolor products. All Duplicolor paints. The kit decals were pretty good, actually. They went on pretty decent. I think the only thing I added was aluminum tips. These wheels and rims, or sorry, wheels and tires are from the old flip nose kit. So I de-chromed those and painted them more of how these tires looked back in the day. Pretty basic underneath. Yeah, not much to this one. I didn't use the insert on the grill. I just wanted it to look really simplified. This one is cleared and then had just a light polish on it. Okay, so that's the 68. This is the 67. Again, Duplicolor products. This one was polished a little, rubbed out, and yeah, I think I did polish this paint a little more than I did the last one. It's forest green, Duplicolor. Again, all Duplicolor products. Did a bit of detailing. These are from the Camaro kit. Parts box, Kragers. Did a bit of detailing under the hood, just engine wiring and heater hoses. So that turned out pretty nice. I had to do a lot of modifications to the front suspension so the wheels didn't stick way out. So that turned out pretty decent. It's got a nice stance to it. This is a 71 spoiler, rear spoiler. Then I put my exhaust tips on there. Same thing, simplified the front. I put a mesh grill in there so you can see through. So yeah, pretty decent build. Of course I did all the accents in black, like the hood and the inserts. Give it a nice street machine look. So that's the 67. So I've showed this car on Model Cars and Coffee before. This is 66. Made it a street machine as well. Did a little more detailing in this one. Engine wiring, heater hoses, and the battery cables. That turned out really nice. The underside. Tried to do the overspray. Turned out okay, not great. Traction bars. This is a nice kit though. It's 1/24. So overall a fun. This is all duplicolor as well. I think I tried something different with the. I think I did them with the trim. I did it with a Sharpie, and then I put metallizers on it, so it shined it up quite a bit. Gave it a decent look, I think. It's the first time trying that. So yeah, that's the 66. And thanks for checking out the video. Hope everyone's doing well. Prayers for those who need them. And yeah, talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.